two parallel lines like this. Parallel lines means the edges of the scale are lines in the ruled notebook. Like that I have given the idea to you. So you can take the two lines in the ruled paper, single rule, double rule in the paper. So many lines are there in the notebook. In that, if you take the two lines that are called parallel lines. Otherwise, if you take the edges of the two edges of the scale that are called parallel lines. I said to you, take the parallel lines and draw the transversal. Transversal means not straight only. Anyhow you can draw. So it is called transversal. Here in the first set 4 angles are formed and in the second set 4 angles are formed. Now I said to you, measure 1 is enough because you know that vertically opposite angles are equal and here it is linear plane. Like this you can measure you can calculate the other angles. Okay, maximum everyone will get. If you do mistake, maybe it is wrong, but if you take the parallel lines exactly and if you draw the transversal and if you measure the angle, suppose one example I am going to say, if I am got this is 150, sorry, it is acute angle, no? 65 degrees I got it made. Acute means 90 below only will be there. 65 degrees, you can calculate it. 65, this is also 65 and this is linear plane because by adding this both you will get 180. Means it will be 115 and vertically opposite this also 115. When these are parallel lines, compulsory you will get here also 65. If you get here 80, here also 80. If you get here 75, here also 75. Compulsory. Maybe if you do mistake, maybe you will not get it. Maybe if you draw the non-parallel lines, maybe you will not get it. But if you draw the parallel lines, compulsory here also you will get same angle. If it is 65, here also you will get 65. And you know that vertically opposite 65 and here 115 and here 115. So these are the measurements you can get like that. Maybe exactly not like that. Your measurements may be different. So here what I am going to find, observe carefully. I am finding these angles are equal in the two sets.
Corresponding.
So do you know what do they call in that? Already we have discussed in different ways. Corresponding angles. So means when it is possible, when these lines are parallel. When these lines are parallel. So I am going to say that if the lines are parallel, then what did I find here? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. And you see alternate. What about the alternate angles? You check that. Which are called alternate angles? You remember or not? Forget. Alternate. Interior opposite or exterior opposite are called as alternate. Interior, these are interior. Interior opposite, these are called alternate. This pair is alternate and this pair is alternate. This pair is alternate. You observe that how the alternate angles are there? Same. So means what do you find? Alternate angles are also equal. Alternate angles are also equal. So in two directions you can observe that when you are finding alternate angles are equal, then what can you say? That lines are parallel, you can say. If you know lines are parallel, automatically what you say? Alternate angles are equal and corresponding angles are equal. This will be useful to you in future. When you are calculating something, you find that two lines are parallel, automatically you will say corresponding angles are equal. One if you know, you can find the other. Okay. And one more you can observe that one more time I said to you, same side angles. How the same side angles are there? Can you check it? Same side means interior same side, exterior same side. Interior same side, exterior same side. How they are? Are they equal? No, they are not equal. But You can observe that by adding them you will get 180. Is it or not?
Yes.
With you also maybe 180 you got it. Somebody will get 120 and 60. So they are not equal, but they are supplementary. Supplementary means by adding them we are getting 180. So that's why what can you say here? Same side angles are supplementary. Same side angles are supplementary. Same side angles are
Supplementary.
okay. Clear? Do you understand?
Yes.
Huh? So if the lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, same side angles are supplementary. Okay, clear? Do you understand?
Yes.
Huh? So when they are non-parallel, you see there is no choice. There is no chance to getting equal. Maybe here one angle will come, here one angle will come. Corresponding angles are not equal. Alternate angles are not equal. When these lines are parallel, that time only it is parallel. When these lines are parallel, that time only corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, and same side angles are supplementary. So you need to remember that. You need to find out, you need to observe this. What is that? You need to be handled which is corresponding, which are alternate. You need to be checked. Then we need to remember one more thing. When these two lines are parallel, these are equal. Which are equal? Corresponding are equal, alternate are equal, and same side angles are supplementary. Same side angles are
Supplementary.
okay. So once we will check, there is some work in the textbook. See the page number 83 also he asked you like that only. In page number 83 they have given some pictures here in the notebook. Do this. So here also you need to, there is M is the transversal on L and M, and P and Q. R is the transversal on P and Q. Here also you can check like that. So about what? Angles you need to measure here, because L and M are parallel lines and P and Q are non-parallel lines. So you need to measure the angles here. One angle in the one set, one angle in the other set you can measure. If that is what I think your protractor is not perfect, means you produce the line and check it. Okay. After measuring, you write here down. Here you have given now number 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle, 5 in the table. Fill the angles in the first set and from the first picture 2 sets. In the second picture 2 sets and write them all. After writing that, you observe that same. Are you observing like this or not? What? Are you finding corresponding are equal or not? Are you finding alternate are equal or not? Are you finding same? One more table is there for alternate. One more table is there for the same side angle. So first here what is your work? Compulsory. You do one thing. You produce these lines because protractor is not enough. Your protractor is small, bigger and these small lines are there. That's why this line you produce. Then you measure the one angle here. Only number 2 or number 1. After measuring that you can find another. And in the downside number 5 or number 6 you find. Calculate, measure. Remaining you find it. Same in this also. After that he is asking to write about the corresponding here. What angle you measure, you write it and check it. Okay. And in the second table, if you check this table, you can get it for alternate angles. If you check this table, you can get it about the same side angle. With these three concepts, you will understand them once again. Okay. Okay. Only shake your heads. Only shake your heads, but don't do any work. So be, what I am saying, be there, punctual and time to time. Okay, one example is there. Can you see here that we have discussed in the example in page number 85? In the figure given below, two angles are marked as 30 and 30 each, and he is asking Is AB and CD are parallel? So this is A, B, and it is C and D. He said it is 30 degrees and it is 30 degrees. Is he asking, is AB is parallel to CD? Yes. Why? Which are same? Okay. Same means which are that? Okay, angles. Which angles they are? What they are called? What do they call? In that pair, in the transversal is there here. Are you finding transversal here? Yes, where? Yesterday I said to you, you can produce like that. Now transversal is looking good. On the transversal, what pair it is called? This pair of angles are called or what?
Alternate.
Again doubt? No clarity about that. When you are finding, I am asking about this angle and this angle, you don't know. How are they? What are they? You have discussed about that lot. First thing I said to you, when I am asking like that, check that are they interior or exterior? First question. Both are interior or both are exterior. Then check opposite direction, same direction. Otherwise you are not finding one is interior, one is exterior. Then check same position or not, I said to you. Okay. What did I say first? First observe which angles I am going to name. Means which pair I need to find it. So means here what about we are discussing, not all angles. These two are only important. I am checking these two angles. How are they? First question in your mind, are they interior or exterior? Both are interior. Or both are exterior. Then second question, same side or opposite side? Same side means same side angles. Opposite means alternate angles. Sometimes what do you find? Two angles when I am giving, one is interior, one is exterior. That what question should come in your brain? Are they in same position or not? Are they in same position means what? They are corresponding. Not same position, you can't say anything. So like that three pairs, corresponding, alternate and same side. Here we are finding, are they corresponding, alternate or same side? Alternate. Why alternate? Because both are interior and opposite direction. You see this is in transversal here and here, opposite direction. Okay, one that side, one this side. So that are alternate. You are finding here these alternate angles are equal. You know that when alternate angles are equal, just now we discussed. When it is possible, alternate angles equal, corresponding angles are equal. When it is possible? When the lines are parallel. So these are alternate are equal. So what can I say? These two lines are parallel. Which two lines? AB and C. AB and CD are parallel. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Next exercise. Exercise 7. Fill up the blanks. The line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called transversal. If the pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. The sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Then the lines are linear phase. He is saying sum of the interior angle of the same side. These are supplementary, he is saying. Then these lines are parallel. If two lines intersect each other, then the number of common points they have. If two lines are intersecting each other, then how many common points are there? One only. Only one. Okay, second one it is here L and M are parallel, they have given. L and M are parallel. And after that they have given angle 1 is like this. This is L and this is M and it is N. Which is transversal in this picture? N is the transversal. And he is saying these both are parallel. Parallel means you know that something you have read. When the lines are parallel, what do you know?
The two sides corresponding angles.
Two sides. Corresponding angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. And same side angles are supplementary. Corresponding angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Same side angles are supplementary. You know that. Okay. Now we have given here. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. And this is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6, 7, 8. And he is giving portion by portion different. One is 80. Angle 1 is 80. Means how much is second one is that?
100.
Which is 80. Means this is how much? 100. 3 is 45. Then 7 is how much?
45.
This is 45. Then this is how much? 45 only. Why? Because these are what? Alternate angles. Alternate.
Angles.
2 is 90. Then what is 8? This is 90. Then it is what? 90. Why? Because
They are
alternate angles. These are alternate.
vertically
Vertically opposite angles. Alternate and corresponding we will discuss when one is here, one is here. One is from this side, one is from this another side. Next, angle 4 is equal to 100. Then what is angle 8? 80. And what property is it? What are these angles? 4 and 8. Can you say what are 4 and 8? Alternate no. Both are exterior and opposite direction. Exterior opposite means what? Alternate no. So what is that? Equal. Alternate angles are equal. How much it is? 100. Okay. Question number 3. See the question number 3. Find the measures of x, y, z in the figure where L is parallel to BC. Observe carefully. First of all, the picture is given like this. This is L and it is BC and it is A. Here it is x. Here it is 45. Here it is 75 and it is y and it is z. So you need to find out what is the x, y, z you have to find. So first of all, which is, can you find anyone easily here? How? Which one you can find? Very good. X you can find easily. Why? Because you know that here it is looking as 180 degrees. No, supplement is not. Because there 3 angles are there. Same not it is 2. 3 angles are there. So by adding this first and second and third, we need to get 180. So means what you will say? 75 plus x plus 45 will become 180. Means you can guess the value of x. Or simple equations also you have learned. To find x value, what should we do? We have to send that same. No. First we will add this x plus 75 and 45 will become 120 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 120. So x is equal to 60. So you will get the answer x value 60. X you got it. Okay, now you should find out the value of y. Directly you cannot find here. But observe here, because normally we are discussing about the topics transversal. Transversal, alternate angle, corresponding angles like that. And we already here have given that these both are parallel also. Then what do? You think where the transversals are looking, you find. Okay, you see here, transversal one you not find exactly means what you will do? You will extend the lines now. Extend the lines here. Like this you can extend. Now transversal should come means Where the transversal choice is there. This is one transversal now.
Yes.
Extend the transversal. Now on this transversal, so many angles. So when the transversal, like this, like this, like this is no. Okay. In that particularly, we are going to find which angle.
Why?
Where is that? You see here, 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 here. Observe this. I am drawing the image there. Where is this Y there? Here. Here only. This is the Y. Okay. And not one is not one more pair. According to pair only you can find it. And you see in one more angle, you know there side up. This 75 no. Where is this 75 there? Can you say? Here. Here. This is 75. Now observe carefully there. What angle is there? Alternate angles no. Do you accept or not?
Yes.
Because these are parallel and this is transversal. Inside angles, opposite direction. Interior opposite is called as alternate. So you know that alternate angles are same. Means if it is this is how much? This is 75. This is also
75.
So means y is equal to
75.
Okay, that is completed. Now this one you produce. How it is looking? Two lines are there, and this one transversal is there. And which angle you know there? Where is the Z? Here.
No.
Here Z is there. And one more known angle. 45. Where is the 45? Right side. Means what are these two angles again? Alternate. You know when the lines are parallel, alternate angles are
Same.
means here Z is equal to how much now?
45.
Z is equal to
45.
Okay. So like that you need to be produce the lines to get the transversal. And what we have to do, which is one known angle and unknown angle. Known and unknown. So both angles are what? What are they? Are they corresponding? Or are they alternate? Are they same side? Then your idea. You know parallel is accept no. Parallel means you know that. Then according to that idea you can find. Okay? Next question you see that ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means you know that. Four sides. A, B, C, D. And it is 50 degrees. And you know these both are parallel he has given and these both are parallel. AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to CD. Like that he said to us. Then one angle is given. We have to find these all angles. This is D, B, C. Check it. What idea? So here something parallel. Parallel means immediately what should we think? Any transversal like that we will check. So what should we do? Transversal is looking now?
No.
Not looking exactly. So what you will do? Produce. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Is it enough? Not enough. Something you can think. So this is one. Now you can see here. This is a transversal looking to you. Lines are looking to you. Angles are looking to you. In that one noun is there, one unknown is there. How these both are angles? These both are angles are what? Same side angle. Both are interior. First question, interior or exterior? Interior. Interior same side. Interior same side. You know when these lines are parallel, how the same side angles are? What discussed already. Same side angles are supplementary. Same side angles are supplementary because lines are parallel. Supplementary means you know that. What means supplementary? Sum of two angles will be already one is 50. 100 and so you got it. Okay, now that two completed, but these two means both are unknown only, no? That's why you can't come, you can't say. But observe carefully. This is also transversal, no? These two are lines, and this is transversal. Okay, like this. This is transversal. Now, which angle? These both angles. What are they called? Interior and same side only, no? Same side. Interior, same side. Interior, same side are supplementary. Then if it is 50 and this is 130. Okay, now it is transversal. And these both are supplementary because interior, same side. If it is 130 and this is okay. Next, question number 5. In the given figure, L and M are intersected by the transversal N. L and M are lines. N is transversal, and he is asking the question. Some angles are shown there. By using that, you have to say L is parallel to M or not. Okay? Which angles are given? How are they? Then what did he say? Is it correct or not? You check it. Are the L and M are parallel or not? You need to check it. Okay, next one. Find angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E like that. So you see here. This is angle 50 degrees. And it is angle A. This I am marking. What is the meaning of marking? You know, these both are parallel. This line, parallel. And one more line given. This line is given. This line, parallel. Okay. Now parallel lines are there. Transversals also are there here. Which are? So first, you don't see this one. Leave it. Only this only you see. Here transversal is there. How do you say? How do you find it? Transversal. Now here again same question I said to you. Always find the transversal where is there. Then the given angles you find one is known and unknown. How are they find? Interior or exterior? First interior or exterior these are. Interior exterior is there. This is transversal. Here 4 angles, here 4 angles will form. In that how are they? Interior. Same side or opposite side? Interior opposite side are called as alternate. When lines are parallel, opposite alternate angles are same. So means if it is 50, this is also 50. Same like this. 50. Like that you can find it, no? Yes. So complete that all over. And this chapter is completed. And tomorrow we will start about the triangles and its properties. But I want you need to be complete the work. Not yes, be serious. Don't take your life easy. Your life is this only. Whatever we are doing, we should do perfectly. I think you understood well. But if you continue it, you can remember. Otherwise, you can't remember. So be serious. Bring all the material compulsory and complete the work. Yes, compulsory geometry box.